Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Prime Video on PlayStation 5 step by step clearly. Start by turning on your PlayStation 5. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. From the main menu, navigate to the PlayStation Store. In the search bar, type in Prime Video. Select the Prime Video app from the search results. Click on the download button to install the app. Once the download is complete, return to the main menu. Navigate to the Media tab to find the Prime Video app. Select the Prime Video app to open it. If prompted, select Sign In. You will see a screen with a unique activation code. Now, take a separate device like a smartphone or computer. Open a web browser and go to the Amazon website. Log in to your Amazon account. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Click on Activate to link your account. Return to the Prime Video app on your PS5. Browse the content and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.